Okay, I finally found a way to prevent the squirrels from getting up to my bird food. As you can see, that umbrella looking thing, got it at one of my local bird stores, and that's a 2-liter bottle upside down on the adapter. The little two metal things sticking out to the side are where the birds sit. I just half filled it, and I've been trying to keep it full because of the excessive amount of snow, as you can see, we've had in the past 2 weeks, making it hard on the birds. When I do fill it, it only takes minutes for them to show up. I also put bread out for the squirrels. Oh, and I do have a little junco here already. I think it's a junco. I didn't see him very long, and he disappeared. I did spill a whole lot out there, so there is food for them. They'll be appearing. Anyways, I throw bread out for my squirrels, and here's what I'm talking about. There's a little bit of rye bread. It's not as bad as the white bread for them, but there's a few birds that come down, like the blue jays. They'll come down and get that. But it's feeding time for the birds, and they'll be showing up here very shortly. Usually it takes less than 10 minutes after I fill it, which is every other day right now because of the snow. And they come in and they get their food. I have had hawks here getting their food, probably grabbing one of the little birds, but I have yet to see any feathers laying around, so I don't think they managed to grab any. But you can also see my tower for my ham radio out there. To the right, it's over there, right there. And there goes my phone. My sister-in-law, stand by. And as you heard, that was my sister-in-law. I had to shut you off for a second. There's another reason I'm doing this, and that is because I just found a new program. I don't know which is level here. I just found a new program Microsoft has already built into pictures, and it seems easy to use. So I'm going to make this little video a test for my YouTube videos, and we're going to see how that goes. So that's it. It is February 19th, and you can see the snow. And yes, the birds are starting to show up. I also have one hung under the porch, and I also have a suet feeder on the porch for those birds that like the extra fat to keep them warm. So that's it for this. I'm going to wrap this thing up, and I know it only looks like a still picture. I was hoping to see more birds out here, but I think I'm just going to sit here for a minute and pause it and see if anything shows up. Have had a lot of those, a lot of them this year. And that wall right there is their perch. They like to sit on it. They're all getting to know me pretty well. So they fly up close. There you go. They see a little one. They feel protected in there. And they fly out, get their food, and they move back.